Hello there, welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that payment decline error on Venmo. So this is going to be the website, help.venmo.com. Please go through it. And then simply click on Payment and Transfers. After clicking on Payment Transfer, click on Declines. After clicking Declines, click on Payment Decline. So you're going to see here the reasons or most frequent reasons why your payments are declined on Venmo. So if you're still not on here, for example, the scenario you're experiencing is not on this reasons, click on this option right here that says Submit Request, and then you're gonna see this landing page. So they're just gonna ask you to choose another article, right? So I suggest don't click anything here, scroll down the page a little bit, and you'll see this option. They're actually hidden from the naked eye, or once you get the landing page, it's not really visible. So anyway, full name right there, phone number, email address on file with Venmo, make sure this is the right one. And then, if you don't have access with that one, simply click on this option right here. So please enter the email address where we can reach you. Should be active. Okay? After that, subject, how can we help? Just type in, I'm a Venmo customer and need help with my account. And then we should describe your issue. Of course, you need to put payment methods right there. After that, this is the most important part. Type here whatever's wrong. For example, payment declined. And then a customer service agent will reach out to you via email. You can also add screenshots right here to give more depth or understanding on the agent. Click on Submit, okay? And that's how you fix the payment decline error on Venmo. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.